So we are in China since 1996, and at this moment we are present in more than 60 cities with more than 100 stores. Every year we bring more than 100 new items to the CIE in order to show the Chinese consumers not only great products from China but also overseas. And the takeoff from Chinese consumers is very strong. The numbers tell the story, because our import sales and also our own brand sales is growing faster than the general sales trend. So there is a very strong uptake by Chinese consumers. At the same time, I believe in the future we have to continue to be innovative, because I feel that Chinese consumers, they are getting more and more curious for new taste, for health features, for food. So from my point of view, there is no doubt about the further very big potential for imported items in China. And in our case, we are improving our logistics network, our supply chain network in the West China region, combining our efforts in Chengdu, in Chongqing, and some other areas in the west of China. The Chinese government has made it very clear that it's not only about quantity, it's more about the quality of life, which we want to improve. And that's why we will bring more supply chain solutions to the place to bring better quality products to the consumers.